What's going on, guys? Here Eddie, and we're gonna do a Resident Evil 4 chainsaw demo. Um, yeah, I've played 2 and 3 before. I'm going to make recordings. I'm gonna make just basically a playthrough of 2 and 3, because why not? Honestly, this franchise of the game is honestly really great. I really enjoy Resident Evil, especially the remakes. I've I did play the originals. The only Resident Evil I played was the 5th one, and I believe I played the second one too. I'm not too sure. I don't remember as much when I was little. But yeah. Wow, ray tracing is on high. I'm just gonna turn off ray tracing. I really don't. For ray tracing, like it only adds like a touch up, like a little touch up, and that's pretty much it. But I mean, I guess I'll just put it on normal for now. Or I'm just gonna play. Let's see here. I mean, I'm not gonna put it on max, but I'm just gonna put it on normal. Let's see what else. I'm just gonna turn it off. I'm gonna just turn that bad boy off. It's a demo anyway, so normal or I'll just do normal. Max, everything max, mesh. High or normal? See here if you. Yeah, everything's good. Double check. We're choosing off. Yeah, everything's good. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this gameplay demo, and let's just jump straight into it.
September 30th, 1998. It's a day I'll never forget. The cop inside me died that day. And that night, Raccoon City was wiped out, thanks to the bioweapons created by Umbrella. Somehow I made it out, but too many others weren't so lucky. I was asked later to join a top-secret government program. Not that I had a choice. The training, punishing missions, nearly killed me. But at least I kept my mind off everything. If I could just forget what happened that night. The pain, even for a second. This time, it can be different. It has to.
Okay, it's been 6 years since Leon S. Kennedy survived the raccoon incident. Alright. Having discussions. Can't read. Anyway, let's just hop straight into this. Oh yeah, missing daughter, kidnapped girl was last sighted in this village. The hair looks phenomenon. Oh, the 2 police officers are not here. Because in the original, they were here, and then they're like, I guess it was safe or something, and they're like, good luck. Saying it like that, and then you're like, alright, I got this, whatever. So, yeah. Why do I have it toggled? I don't want my run thing to be toggled. I want it to be hold, not toggled. So then if you let it go,
How far could he have gone?
See? Oh my gosh, a deer. It's chewed up. Small little cutscene. But okay. Alrighty. Nothing like breaking and entering in like an old spooky house.
Anyone home?
I have to say, this game looks gorgeous on PC. PC all the way just makes everything feel so much better. Because it adds like the tiniest details where console can't hit, like the PS5. Yeah, the PS5 runs it at 60 frames, 124 hertz. You can run this game at like 60 frames or higher.
Sorry to barge in like this. Busco a un policía. Vino aquí? This is not good.
We just kicked that man. just one kicked.
Man, that stinks.
Moldy soup. I guess some like Resident Evil 7 vibes to it. King monkey. Oh, that's the police officer. Looking for. Open sesame. Oh my god. This game is really dark. Giving me some Blair Witch vibes.
Hey!
¡Contesta, necesito apoyo!
I read you.
¿Quién soy?
What's your situation? What the hell's going on?
Yeah, what's going on?
What was that?
Where is it? Someplace me.
No fucking way. This just keeps getting worse.
Ooh, bottles. I don't want to waste my ammo. Spooky. Gotta crouch around. so used to Resident Evil 3 controllers. I don't know if I want to fight them or not. Yeah, screw it, let's fight them. Oh, what's up? Alright, I think that's it. They didn't drop anything.
Bruce, this is Condor 1.
Hunnigan here. What's your sit rep?
The President's daughter, Baby Eagle. It's likely she's in this village.
Our intel was correct then. Well done.
Need a location on a nearby lake. She may have been taken there.
Copy that. I'll see what I can find.
Hurry up. Something's happened to the people here. My escorts are... Gotta go. Talk later. I'll let myself out.
That was the most, I guess I would say, coolest cutscene, just jumping out of the window like that. But yeah. Most Resident Evil games has like a time limit, like 30 or 25 minutes, and you have to like rush through the game. But this doesn't give you a time limit, which is awesome. Because I've played Resident Evil game that has demo time limits, and it honestly sucks. You can't really actually have fun with it. Everything is remade from the original. It's a remake. They call everything a remake. Resident Evil 2 remake, Resident Evil 3 remake, Resident Evil 4 remake, and it's always OG to the build up, which is awesome. More coins. Ooh. Forgot you can parry him. Nothing but Blair Witch vibes.
No! Damn it.
What the frick? Gnarly. Plant. I need to use my vegetables to get better. Flashbang is always necessary in time. Just chicken. sneaky around here.
Puedes correr, pero no te puedes esconder.
Are you freaking serious?
Here we go.
What the? Oh wait, I just double.
Give me a break already.
Get in the house. Get in the house. Get in the house.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
Grab
It's my
everything.
lucky day.
Just grab, just keep grabbing it. Keep grabbing it, keep grabbing it. The shotgun. Yes, yes, yes.
Oh,
grab everything,
nice.
grab everything, grab everything. Shotgun.
Way's closed. Oh, sorry.
Grab the chainsaw. Gotta grab that. I need to grab that coin. Come on. Come on. Come on. More coins.
Present for you.
Did I grab that grenade? Crap, I did not grab the grenade. Go around. I need to grab that grenade. It's gonna come in handy.
See ya, climb.
Yep.
They keep coming.
Shotguns have recoil. Get off of me! Get your nasty hands off me.
Next. Give me a break already.
What the frick? That scared me. Let me use my green vegetables there. Why are there people inside this house? Grab the grenade! Grab the grenade. I need to dip out. I need to dip out. I need to dip out. Don't kick me. Dip out!
There you go. Are you even feeling this?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
You gotta be kidding me.
No, the cow's on fire. Oh, I can't hit.
Huh?
La campana.
Él nos invoca. Tenemos que servir. Al Lord Sadler Todopoderoso.
Where's everyone going? Bingo?
What's up, guys? Here Eddie, and I just wanted to say that I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I'm gonna be making more gameplay content and more funny content on the way too, with like Rainbow and whatnot. Yeah, if you guys do enjoy this video, leave a like, subscribe, and share. And if you do subscribe, turn on post notifications so you don't miss a video. And yeah, this is Eddie, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.